Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Toyota Corolla Key. Start by sliding the release tab and separating the two halves gently with a small flathead screwdriver. Remove the battery and note battery orientation before replacing. Keep track of tiny screws and plastic clips in a tray. Work slowly and avoid prying near the transponder to prevent damage. If something feels stuck, pause and recheck the seam for hidden tabs or screws. In this segment, I will explain the step-by-step method to open the key safely and efficiently. After extracting the mechanical key, insert a thin screwdriver into the seam and twist gently to open the housing. Keep pressure even and work around the perimeter to free clips without cracking plastic. When the halves part, gently lift the circuit board straight up and remove the battery, keeping note of its orientation for reassembly later. In this short troubleshooting guide, I will help you avoid common pitfalls when opening a Corolla Key and working with components. If clips feel stubborn, warming the housing with your hands or gentle heat can help plastic flex. Use the correct CR2032 battery and test remote functions before closing the case. If the transponder shifts, add a tiny foam pad to prevent contact issues. Always double-check button alignment before snapping the case closed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.